Good morning all of you. Previous lecture we learned the singly linked list. What is actually the singly linked list? Singly linked list having a node. Node means what? See, this part storing the data and this part storing the link. Okay. And when we are creating the single node at that time, see, suppose this is your node. Okay. See, suppose this is your node having a data 10 and this points to the null. Okay, means this is only the single node. So here we are storing the null, or you can represent in this way. Okay, singly linked list is a collection of different nodes and these nodes are connected by a single link. See, this is one link. Okay. And in this, see, in every node there are the two parts. One is a data part and one is a next part. And here is a end of your list. This arrow represent this node A, B and C. We will consider this three node. Node A having a data X, node B having a data Y, node C having a data Z. Or you can take the value directly here. You can take the value here 10, 20, 30. Okay. So here I am storing the value 10. Here is a 20 and here is a 30. And this part storing the address. This, see, this is a link. This arrow means this is your pointer. This pointer, this field storing the address of this node. Okay. So suppose the address of this node is a 2000. Okay, then this storing the address, this 2000 here. Okay, and suppose the address of this node is a 500, then this 500 is here. Okay, and what about this first node? We are using here the head node. Okay, this is a header and this head pointer storing the address of this first one node. Okay, this is all about the singly linked list. In previous lecture, we learned the different operation on a singly linked list like a insertion, deletion and many more operations like a concatenation, merging of a linked list and all. Okay. Now in today's session we will start with the circular linked list. Okay. So what is the difference between the singly linked list and circular linked list? How we will convert this linked list into the circular linked list? See, circular linked list. Circle means what? See, starting from here again it ending here. Okay, this is your starting point and this is your ending point. See, inside your singly linked list, we will try to convert this singly linked list into circular linked list. Okay, so we will convert this singly linked list into the circular linked list. Circular linked list. How to convert it? See, this is your linked list. We know how to create the node, how to create the linked list. Now we will see here how to convert this linked list into the circular linked list. See, in a circular linked list, last node is connected back to the first node. So last node, this is your last node. This again connecting to the first node. Okay, this last node connecting back to the first node. This is your circular linked list. Means, see, previously we are giving here the end. Okay, यहाँ पे एंड दिया था पहले, अभी क्या करने का है, जो भी एंड है वो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट में पॉइंट करेगा. ओके, गॉट इट. एंड वी आर यूजिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ अ लिंक लिस्ट इन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ अ क्यू. वी विल सी इन डिटेल व्हाट इज अ क्यू इन अ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. ओके, then how to create this? See, we will see the coding for how to create this linked list. Okay, so see, we want the linked list. Okay, circular linked list. So first requirement is we need this node. Okay, we need this type of a node first. Okay, so how to do this? See, when we are representing the singly linked list, at that time we are using the pointer name as a next. Here we are using the rare. Okay, rare means what? See, in a singly linked list, suppose this is your linked list, then rare always pointing to the last node. Okay, this is here and after this again this pointing to the first one. Okay, this is your rare pointer. See, let's create a singly circular linked list. Let's see the coding. how to create this. Okay, so first we need to represent the node. And how to represent the node point. Okay, first create the write the node structure for this. Type dir struct node, and that we are now using the pointer rare. Okay, we are using the rare. In previous session we learned the singly linked list, and in that we use the pointer next. Now here we are using the rare. Okay, and one data field. See, now let's see the coding for this. So here we are writing node pointer create. See, node pointer create. This is your starting of your coding. And here we require the two variables of type node. We declared the structured node in previously. Okay, so here write the rare. Okay, we need this variable rare, and then pointer p. We need this variable also. For what? We are using this as a p. We are using this node. We are giving the name to this node as a p. See, after that we need the I also, because we are inserting the more than one element. And how many elements we want? Take this as a n. Okay, then after this print here. Okay, printf enter number of element. Number of element you want in your linked list, give here the number of elements, and then write here scanf, write in a full scanf. Okay, scanf, then %d. Due to space limitation I am writing in this way. Okay, and address of n. Okay, this is your first. How many element in your linked list? I want 3 element. Then write the value of n is here 3. Then enter the data. Okay, printf enter the data for this element. Okay, initially your rare is null, means there is any node inside your linked list. So initially your rare is null. Suppose this is your rare and it points to the null. See this one. Here rare is null. Okay, then for what? For I equals to 0 to n, we are using the here for loop. For I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. For what? Because we want more than one node, so I am writing in this way. Okay, after this take a data for the first node. So write the scanf, and here take the data %d and address of x. Okay, this is the data for your first node. And we also need to allocate the memory for this p. Okay, this is our first node, this is our p. Okay, and x is a data for this node. We need to give the data here. X is our data in this node. Okay, see I am writing here this p is x. Okay, see this one, x is your data. This is p is the name of this your node. Okay, so first allocate the memory for this one. Allocate the memory for this. So how to allocate the memory? For this we are using p equals to node pointer, then malloc. Okay, memory allocation function malloc, and then size of node. See why I am writing in this way? See, this node means we want to allocate the memory. How much of memory? This node memory. Suppose in a node the data field and next pointer. Okay, data field is there. So size of node means allocate this memory. Allocate 4 byte or 5 bytes or 4 byte or 8 byte of any bytes of memory by using the size of. मीन्स ये क्या करेगा, पहले नोड में कौन कौन से वेरिएबल है, उसके लिए कितनी मेमोरी लगने वाली है, वो साइज ऑफ फंक्शन कैलकुलेट करेगा. उसके बाद allocate, suppose here is the answer is a 8 byte, then allocate the memory alloc function. We are using this function for allocating this much of memory, okay, for this node. And we are, see, p, okay, allocating this memory, we are writing this whole sentence for this p, means for this p, we are allocating the memory for this. Okay, then p's data equals to x. See, p's data equals to x means what? Here we have written this x, means p's data field is x now. Okay, see, and after this, if rare equals to null. Okay, means if rare equals to null. See this condition. See, this rare equals to null. if the rear is a null means this condition means there is no any one node till at that time. Okay, means अभी तक उस लिस्ट में एक भी नोड नहीं है, जो भी हम इंसर्ट करने वाले हैं वो हमारा फर्स्ट नोड है. तो क्या करने का, सी if this condition is there, then if rear equals to null, then rear equals to p. rear equals to p. क्या बोलेंगे हम, जो भी हमारा p है वो यहाँ पे लाने का है हमें. तो क्या करेंगे उसके बाद, सी हियर rear equals to p मीन्स rear end जो रहेगा वो अभी किसको पॉइंट करेगा, p को पॉइंट करेगा. So x is now here and see here is your rear now and p is also the name of this node. Okay, and p is next equals to p and next step required is p is next equals to p. See, p is next equals to p. Why? See, this is your rear and this is also p. Okay, the name of this node is a p, but now here we are writing rear equals to p, and now what to do, this p is next, this is your p and this p is next is again points to this p, because we are creating the circular linked list. So that's why only the end of this next pointer of this pointing to here. Okay, see, close the bracket here or you can write the here. Okay, due to space limitation I am writing here only. Okay, you can write on a next line. After that, else what? See, else what to do? See, if the node is exist in your linked list, means already there are some node in your linked list, then at that time what to do? See, suppose the one node or two nodes are exist in your linked list, means this way. Suppose this is your linked list having a two node and this last one pointing again to this node, this 10 and here is a 20 and here is your rear. Okay, rear pointing to the last node. Okay, if this condition, then at that time what to do, rear's next. Okay, and we are trying to add our node is p. Okay, we are trying to add this p in the linked list. This is our p and we are trying to add this node here. Okay, so at that time rear's next. Okay, at that time what we need to do, see, at that time rear's next assigns to p's next. Rear's next, rear is where, rear is here. Okay, rear's next is pointing to here initially, but now we will do one adjustment. This rear's next pointing where, rear's next is pointing initially here, but now we will try to give this p's next to this location and we will remove this one. Okay, जहां पे रेयर का नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कर रहा था ना, वहां पे क्या करेंगे हम, अभी पी का नेक्स्ट है वो यहाँ पे पॉइंट करेगा. मीन्स व्हाट, सी इन दिस फील्ड यहाँ पे कौन सा एड्रेस स्टोर किया था हमने, ये वाला नोड का एड्रेस हमने यहाँ पे स्टोर किया था. सपोज इसका एड्रेस 500 है, इसका 600 है एंड यहाँ जो P1 है उसका एड्रेस 1000 है. तो ये रेयर का जो नेक्स्ट है वो क्या कर रहा था, फिर वो 500 का एड्रेस स्टोर कर रहा था इनिशियली. तो हमने क्या किया, जो ये 500 एड्रेस है अब वो पी के अंदर चला गया क्योंकि हमने यहाँ से यहाँ पे पॉइंट कर दिया. ओके, इसका एड्रेस जो है, जो 500 है उसका एड्रेस हमने यहाँ पे होल्ड किया. ओके, सी यहाँ पे होल्ड कर दिया. तो उसके बाद क्या करने का है, रेयर्स नेक्स्ट इक्वल्स टू पी. नाउ जो रेयर का नेक्स्ट है ये रेयर है, रेयर्स नेक्स्ट इक्वल्स टू पी. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम, रेयर्स नेक्स्ट इक्वल्स टू पी. रेयर्स नेक्स्ट equals to p means what, here we are storing now this p's address. We will store this rear's next as a p. Okay, this rear's next as a p. See what is our m, यहाँ पे जो भी हमारा m था, जो ऑब्जेक्टिव था कि ये नोड हमें इसके बाद अटैच करने का है, हो गया अटैच. इसका नेक्स्ट जो है उसको दे दिया, यहाँ पे दे दिया. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस क्लोज द कर्ली ब्रैकेट, क्लोज दिस एल्स कर्ली ब्रैकेट हियर. आफ्टर दिस, okay, close the for loop curly bracket here and after this See, this is for the just one node. Suppose you want to add the more node, okay, you want to add the third, fourth, and n number of nodes, you need to repeat this procedure again. See, this is for only first node, and after this, else part, okay, add the one node, then again go here and increment the counter, and again you can add the n number of nodes here. And after this, you need, see, after this two curly brackets, we need to write return rare. Return rare means what? Here we are returning this rare, okay. So we will use this rare in the next case for printing, for traversing, for insertion. At that time we need this pointer rare, so we are returning the rare from here. This is about the singly circular linked list, okay. If you have any doubt, then you can free to ask, you can write your comments in a comment box, okay, you can write your queries in a comment box. See, I am repeating here one more time. See, take the pointer rare and pointer p, okay, I have rubbed this, okay, erase this. Then number of elements, I want the suppose 4 elements or 3 elements, take here. Initially rare equals to null, initially rare pointer is a null, initially, okay, initially null. I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, scanf take a data means this, okay, take a data, then p node, malloc size of node, allocate the memory for this node, p's data equals to x, allocate the data for this as a x, allocate this as a x, okay. Then if rare equals to null, if the rare is initially null, then rare equals to p, okay, assign your p to the rare node, okay, and p is next equals to p, else do this, okay. If you want to add the node at the second, third or the nth location, then use this and use this coding again for the next node, okay. Thank you very much.